Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year. May all your dreams be fulfilled in this year. On the New Year's Day, the weather was much better. So we visited Aysgarth Waterfalls and spent some lovely time over there with family. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all these beautiful waterfalls and the surrounding places. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. You'll like it. Now it's 1.5 hours of journey from Bradford Leeds to this particular waterfalls location. So we had our lunch and we started immediately. It was a beautiful drive through those nice countryside roads. Enjoying the scenic beauty, we didn't even know the time. And after reaching there, you'll find a nice spacious car park wherein you can park your car safely and just walk downhill. This is the car park area which I was talking about, and there's also a caravan parking space towards the other side. There's a National Park Center, cafe, and also this car park area, so it becomes much easier for the visitors to visit these beautiful waterfalls and spend some lovely time here. There's also a church coming in between, which will be covering it later. So now I'll take you around this particular waterfalls. We'll just walk a little bit towards the downhill. It's not very far actually, so you can see those waterfalls and enjoy its beauty. You can check out the information displayed about this Aysgarth Waterfalls here before walking downhill. If you actually Google it on your mobile phones, it shows you much detailed information. It's a beautiful walk towards the downhill, nice well-built roads, and you can enjoy the scenic beauty on both the sides. There are also some nice stone-built houses in between. And this is the church which will be visiting it after coming back. It's actually an easy and smooth 5 to 10 minutes walk downhill, but since it rains here quite frequently, the roads are kind of like slippery. You need to be a little careful while getting down. You can actually enjoy the waterfalls even from the side of the road. Now local people who walk every day through these particular roads, they just stop here now and then and enjoy these beautiful scenes. Even from here you can see those waterfalls. It's kind of like a 3-step waterfall, and the water falls from each step. It's really beautiful to watch. These waterfalls have been the tourist attraction for over 200 years now, and some famous English movies also have been shot here. Now there's a small bridge coming in between which covers these waterfalls, and as you walk past this bridge towards the other side, you'll find a small way which leads inside, and from there you can actually view these waterfalls from a much closer point. So this is the other path inside. This is quite muddy and slippery. Now in UK you'll find a lot of such places beside the water and in the parks which have these kind of roads. So people prefer to wear these long boots and walk. Even kids enjoy walking on these kind of roads. It's a different experience actually, instead of sitting at home and watching television all time, or going into those fully crowded malls. Coming to these kind of places, it's quite relaxing, so people love exploring these areas here actually. So this is the spectacular view of these waterfalls from a much near point, but it's quite risky as well. So Jose was actually explaining the risk to Aryan, because it rains here quite often. The stones and all are quite slippery and muddy here, so you need to be careful when you reach towards these corner points. The water sound was so pleasant and beautiful to hear. It was such a relaxing place. We were missing all this for a long time actually. After this, Jose took his drone out and he captured some beautiful aerial views of this particular location and also the surrounding areas. But by the time we reached the church area, the winds were quite strong, so we couldn't capture much near the church area. It all depends, if it rains or if the winds are too strong, it becomes difficult for the drone to fly. So we captured as much as we could and we enjoyed a lot here in this particular area. We spent some lovely time here enjoying these waterfalls and the scenic beauty around. As you can see, a lot of locals get their pets and also kids for walk. And you have these beautiful benches over there, so you can sit down and relax with your families, enjoy some snack items and spend some quality time. It's quite relaxing actually. Now, after enjoying the waterfalls, we started walking back to the same route. We stopped here and there and checked out the water flow in other areas. Actually, the pressure of the water is much higher at the starting point. Later, when it starts flowing down, it doesn't have that much pressure. It's quite smooth and slow. On the way, you'll find a lot of locals with their pets. It's quite interesting to watch these pets. We stopped here and there and we clicked few pictures because waterfalls are quite rare here in UK. So whenever you find this kind of water, you'll really get attracted to it. After this, we walked towards the church. Because it was a New Year's Day, the closing hours were different. By the time we went, they were actually closing it. So we just spent some time outside here walking around and returned back. So this was a New Year's day out. Hope you liked watching our today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on our future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.